Click on the link below to get price. The Generac 8125 starting watt gas-powered portable generator stands out for its impressive power output and innovative features designed to enhance safety and performance. Right out of the box, this generator exudes robust construction and user-friendly design. Weighing around 130 pounds, it is still portable enough for easy transport, thanks to its ergonomic handle and sturdy wheels. One of its defining features is the COsense technology, which automatically shuts down the generator when high levels of carbon monoxide are detected, ensuring user safety during operation. This is particularly crucial during extended use, especially in poorly ventilated areas. Combined with this safety feature is the PowerRush technology, which provides up to 50% more starting capacity, allowing you to power heavy-duty appliances like refrigerators, air conditioners, and power tools without a hitch. The generator is equipped with a 7.2-gallon fuel tank, offering an impressive runtime of around 11 hours at 50% load. This extended runtime makes it a reliable choice for camping trips, tailgating, or emergency situations where consistent power is crucial. The control panel is intuitive, with multiple outlets including USB ports, ensuring versatility for various devices. Noise levels are another consideration, and while it is slightly louder than some inverter generators, it operates quietly enough to be used in residential areas without significant disturbance. Maintenance is straightforward, thanks to user-friendly features such as an easy-access oil fill. In terms of value, the Generac 8125 generator is competitively priced given its capabilities. Overall, this generator is a fantastic investment for anyone in need of reliable power, be it for outdoor activities or home backup during outages. Its combination of power, safety features, and portability makes it a standout choice in the portable generator market. Whether you're a seasoned camper or preparing for emergency situations, this generator is sure to meet and exceed your expectations.